Dear viewer, we know that all over the industries, server computer and operating systems computer is using RAID1 function. RAID1 is a mirror of hard disks. If one hard disk fail, another hard disk take over and continue the PC running. So as a result, RAID1 works as a hard disk redundant system. Today I will show how to create RAID1 in Windows system. So let's go start. First we connect same capacity to hard disks in server computer or operating system. Dear friend, see that we are connecting to hard disks. Connect the power cable of this hard disk. Then the data cable is connected. Now I show where in motherboard two hard disks are connected. Here label is HDD0 to HDD3. I have connected these two hard disks in HDD1 and HDD3. Now you can see I have detected the cable, which cable is connected to the hard disks. Now we restart this computer. Let's see the two hard disks are showing in redundant system. Now we want to create the RAID volume. Select the create RAID volume. Two hard disks, same capacity is showing. Now press the create RAID volume. Name the volume is RAID1. Then press enter button. Here use the up down key to select the RAID level, then capacity, same capacity, create volume, select the create volume and press enter. Here you seeing that it is showing a warning, all data on selected disk will be lost. Are you sure? Want to press yes. Press the yes button and the RAID is completed. RAID1 mirror is showing normal and also bootable, and two hard disks are showing member disk 0 and member disk. That means two hard disks are in mirror condition. Now we exit, select the exit and press enter. If you want to exit, press yes and exit. It is the new hard disk. Know the Windows system, so it is showing no boot device. So dear friend, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, comments and share. Thank you for watching.